are making the drive from Georgia to Alaska. The past few days have been kind of pretty quick. This is the first stop we've gotten to actually kind of enjoy what's around us, and it's also probably the most scenic stop so far. We are in Banff, Canada, and from here we're going to go to Dawson Creek. I just wanted to finally jump in the video and actually explain what's going on. We've been staying in hotels every night, and of course we are driving the 4Runner all the way up there. It's just me, my wife, and the doggos. If you can see them back there, I can't see. So far they've been doing pretty good in the car. The hotels have been a little rough because they like to bark at every noise they hear. I think they're getting used to it, so hopefully it gets better from here. We're also going to be, from this point on, kind of in more or less busy areas, so I think we'll run into less people in general.
Just down there.
So we've been driving for about 5-ish hours, and we are in a little small town in Canada, probably about 3 hours or so from Dawson Creek. The views were absolutely amazing through Banff and the Icefield Parkway, whatever it's called. We just got Dairy Queen. We found a Dairy Queen in the middle of nowhere, and we're letting the dogs go to the bathroom. We have made it to the hotel in Dawson Creek. Doggos finally got to eat a little bit, drink some water. Looks like we moved into this place even though we're only here for one night. We are at the start of the Alaska Highway. There's a sign right there. We have made it to our stop for the night. Paulo is thinking about drinking water out of the toilet. Come on, Paulo. I'll close him out of there. Got the doggy bed set up and the human bed set up. We're gonna go ahead and get some sleep for the night, and then obviously get some breakfast in the morning and get back on the road. So we stayed in Muncho Lake last night at the Northern Rockies Lodge. It's a very cool little spot, definitely recommend, and the breakfast and food overall was great. Today we're gonna be heading to Whitehorse in the Yukon Territory, and I think we're going to try to make a stop at the hot springs, which I believe are only like 30 minutes from here. So yeah, let's get going. We're going to go grab the dogs, get them in the car, get some gas, and then get on the road. Also, this is the view from the parking lot. And then there's stuff over there too. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, we just stopped at the Liard River Hot Springs, however you say it. We came very underprepared, so we're not going to actually go in it, but we did walk back there and feel it and check it out. We just only have one towel. It's buried in the cargo carrier, and our swimsuits are also buried. And of course, we have the dogs in here, so it's very weird. It's surrounded by snow, and it's like a hot tub in the middle of the snow forest. Very cool. I would have recorded, but I felt weird because there was a bunch of people in swimsuits, and that feels strange. We made it to Watson Lake at the Signpost Forest here. It's a very cool little area. The snow is absolutely crazy though. I walked down there for a little bit, and I stepped off this little hard trail, and I sunk to like my waist. It was insane. So I'm not gonna go venture in too far, but just wanted to show you guys a cool little area. And now we're gonna go ahead, get back on the road, and if we see food, we're gonna get some, but if not, we're just gonna head to Whitehorse. We have made it to the hotel in Whitehorse. We're at the Hyatt Place. I think it's a pretty new hotel. It's actually pretty nice in here. We ordered some food. We would go out to eat, but with the dogs it's kind of difficult. So ordered some Uber Eats, should be here in like 20 minutes or so. Just gonna eat, wind down for the night, and then get ready for some more driving tomorrow. We're gonna go to Tok tomorrow, so we will officially be in Alaska. Hi, could I get a large coffee with 2 cream?
Thank you, everyone.
You too. One thing about Canadian Tim Hortons is they are insanely fast. It's crazy. We are currently in Whitehorse. Stopped and got some Tim Hortons for the last time. Very excited to eat this. Got some gas and we're gonna go ahead and get on the road. Quick update, we're probably less than an hour from the Alaskan border. I just went around and stiffened up all my shocks. They were all the way loose and I made them all the way firm. The frost heaves are pretty crazy and I'm gonna see if it actually makes a difference. Entering Alaska. We're back to miles per hour, baby. Can actually see what I'm doing, or know what I'm doing. And I can plug this thing back in. We have made it to Tok, finally in Alaska. Staying at Caribou Cabins. This place is really cool. Let me show ya. Got a little parking spot over here. It's very exciting to be close to the car for once, so we don't have to make a bunch of trips. And then we got our own little cabin. It's a cool area. We're already moving in. We got the doggos. 2 beds up there, a bed down here. Get a little microwave, coffee setup, a table. Pretty cool cabin. And it's one of the cheapest places we've stayed at. I think only one place has been cheaper than this. Anyways, we are going to get our stuff unpacked and then probably go try to find some food. There's not many options here, so we'll see how we do. Just got gas in Tok. Let's do a food review. These things are $6 each. It's the only place to get food that's not a sit-down restaurant, which we didn't want to do with the dogs. Anyways, we're gonna start the drive to Anchorage. It's roughly 5.5 hours, so the shortest drive so far. We have officially made it into Anchorage. It's actually been about 3 days since we arrived here. We spent 1 night in a hotel in Anchorage, and now we are in our new home where we'll spend the next roughly 3 years or so. It's very empty right now. None of our furniture is here. It should be here in 2 days hopefully, and we'll be able to start actually making this home-like. For now, we're just kind of sleeping on air mattresses and whatnot. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking around if you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed the content I've been able to film a little bit. It's kind of a new style to me. I just wanted to kind of document the scenery and the beautifulness of the drive up here because it was absolutely amazing. and hopefully I could share that with you and you could experience it from wherever you are in the world. Sorry if you hear my dog snoring. He's laying on my lap and you can probably hear him. Anyways, if you have any questions at all, please go ahead, drop that down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.